Hi guys, in this part we are going to look at Python comments. So comments can be used to explain Python code, and comments can also be used to make the code more readable, and also comments can be used to prevent execution when testing. So let's look an example. So here I have a line of code print hello world, and if I want a comment for this line of code, I can just simply put a hash and type that this is a comment. So this is the first method by typing the hash at the start of the line, and also you can prevent that code execution by typing a hash and making it a comment. And also there is another way to comment is because in Python ignores the strings literals that are not assigned to a value. So if you type that string literals, you can choose three string literals, and if you use them, you can use them as a comment holder and type multiple line comments that this is a comment for the line number 2. So Python will also treat it as a comment. So that's it guys for this part.